Hello, you stinky, sweaty dog. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is honestly so exciting. I say that at the beginning of every single video, but this one, honestly, like cherry on top. Today's video is a collab with Sisters the Label, not a sponsorship, a collab. Sisters the Label reached out to me, contacted me and asked if I would like to receive one of their dresses, which of course I was like yes. They have the most beautiful silk, glitzy, glamorous, timeless, elegant dresses in the world. I really wanted one of their dresses last year for prom, but luckily enough for you, I do have a discount code which will get you $50 off any dress on their entire website. Anyway, I'll leave it in the description box down below if you are interested, as well as all the links and everything. I feel so happy and so excited to be working with a company that I'm just so unbelievably passionate about, and being able to bring you this makeup look, which is like perfect for kind of a vampy prom. It's just one of those. But yeah, if you would like to see this makeup look, then just carry on watching. Bye. I'm in the clothes that I slept in, and I slept with my hair like this, but I'm surprisingly okay about it. I'm not really sure what kind of look I want to do, but I'm going to start with concealing my eyelids. This I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer. Anyone else who buys this concealer, you will know it literally runs out after you use it like twice. And I'm just blending that in with my beauty blender. I feel like I should do my eyebrows because that's what all the beauty gurus do. Yeah, we're gonna do my eyebrows. Everyone always asks me what I use in my eyebrows, and every time I tell people, I know I'm disappointing them. Honestly, I just use any brown eyeshadow. I'm not even fussed about whether it's cool or warm tone because I've accepted I'm ugly and makeup isn't going to help me. First thing I do is I brush them up with a spoolie, and then I comb over the top like so. Then I go in and I pull my arch out a little bit because I don't like the natural shape of my eyebrows, so I change them. I pull my arch out a little bit and just fill them in basically. Have I done to them? I really want to film a mukbang. Oh, for sake, there's a piece of glass on my bed. Oh my gosh, I should talk about this actually. So I'm like 99.9% convinced that my bedroom, specifically my bedroom, is haunted. The other night Will was sleeping over, and in the middle of the night I have this big mirror like propped up against my window so I can see my makeup in natural light and stuff. And it also helps when I film because I don't have a viewfinder, but no one cares about that. So anyway, it just falls off, and it is never ever fallen off my mirror like window. It seems like it should because it's literally on my window, but it fell off and I was like, oh my god, that was weird, and we literally both shit ourselves and we were like, that was weird, and then we just like went back to bed and anyway, whatever. And then the next day Will's gone and I'm in bed and I'm really tired and I'm just kind of like dozing off, about to have a nap. Then it falls off and smashes everywhere, and I was like, shit, that's weird, because my window was closed, so there was like no breeze or anything. I thought, okay, it just must have slipped basically. So it smashed all over the floor, and I've just managed to get all the little like specks of glass off the floor. And then today I have this propped up, like this palette propped up against my window so I can see my makeup in natural light. I step one step into my room, falls to the ground. Wasn't quite as dramatic as the mirror smashing, but it fell over. My window was closed. I didn't even like slam my door or anything. It just fell off. It's the ghost of Christmas window. Now to do the other one. Now I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. I'm starting off just with a base. Holy shit, I almost dropped my brushes. I'm torn because I'm going to move the camera because I really haven't positioned it very well. I'm feeling very torn as to whether to go for something really natural or really heavy glam. I'm going to do something I've never done before. I'm going in with this colour here from Sophie's Nails palette. Yes, I've broken it. Yes, the mirror from it is now my replacement other mirror that was knocked off the window by a ghost. And I'm using it just on a big fluffy brush. This is a Crown C139. And I'm going all through my crease with that. Now I'm going in with the Zoeva 227 brush, this brown here, and I'm taking that through my crease. horrific backaches. Ugh. It's gonna look super messy, but trust me, it will all come together. I'm really just making this up as I go along. I'm going to go in with this brush, if I can find it, which I can't. Oh, I found it. I'm going in with this brush and going to take this other brown colour, which is next to the first brown that we used. Load it up on my brush, just below the last shade that I put. If that even makes sense. Don't be afraid to get it on your lid because we're going to put brown on our lid anyway. Just put my foot in a bowl. I'm going to go back in with the original, not the original, the 227. Just blend all of that together. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a lid shade and I'm taking... can't find it. Okay, I found it. This 234 Luxe Smoky Shader from Zoeva. And now I'm going to be going in with this palette. I'm taking the brown from the Charlotte Tilbury Golden Goddess palette and just packing it all over my lid. Wow, that is a pretty colour. Sounds weird, but I never really wear brown eyeshadows. I just put bronzer through my crease usually. And then I'm going to go into the glittery shade next to the brown shade and also one on my eye. Also pack that onto my lid. I'm going to use my finger actually. Certain shimmery eyeshadows, I swear, like using your finger makes them so much better. I'm packing quite a lot of this on and being pretty messy and liberal with it. I'm going for basically a very kind of Charlotte Tilbury-esque vibe where it's just a bit messy and all kind of blended together. So now I'm going in with concealer and I'm just going to be highlighting the usual parts on my face, which would be fine if there was any concealer left in the bottle. Will's messaging me. Will's in Paris at the moment, so to be honest, it sounds bad, but I don't really know what to do with myself. I mean, I can go out, but the weather's pretty crap and I don't have someone to eat disgusting amounts of Deliveroo with. So Will, if you're watching this, I can't wait for you to come home, thank you. And then I'm just gonna blend that in with my beauty blender. This takes a lot of concentration. Oh, I got eyeshadow on my bed. That's why I can't have nice things. I just get makeup on it. Now I'm going to go in with this Gosh Prime and Set powder, which I used to think I really liked, and now I'm a bit undecided. And I'm gonna bake with it. I never bake, so I'm probably making a mistake, but that's what we do on this channel. We don't just make mistakes, we make them together. Oh my god, I literally just remembered all the reasons I don't bake. I cannot stand the feeling of all the powder on my skin. In the meantime, whilst that's baking, I'm going to bronze my face. Now, I got quite a lot of abuse on my last video about how orange my forehead was and sweaty. Firstly, yes, I do like a bronzed forehead, there's nothing wrong with that, allow it. But secondly, I would also just like to state that it wasn't actually that orange in real life. I literally posted an Instagram like story afterwards and you can see that it wasn't orange. It's just the saturation on the camera, so leave me alone. You know my name, but not my story. It's just one of those. I'm taking one of the bronzers from the Zoeva Contour Spectrum palette, this kind of warm one, and I'm just roughly going over my cheeks and then I will contour a little bit later. I've got to be careful not to put too much on the forehead. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going in. I'm not picking it, I'm itching it, okay? I have itchy nose syndrome. Long-time subscribers will know. Leave me alone. I'm gonna go in with this more grey ashy shade on a smaller like contour brush and I'm going to chisel. I'm basically just gonna tap a bit. It's probably gonna show up really muddy on camera because the camera likes to make everything look crap, but I'm just dragging it over around my forehead because I've got a pretty big one if you can tell already. Now I'm going to wipe the bake off because I literally cannot deal with the feeling of it being on my face anymore. Oh, brush hair at my nose. I'm going to go in with this brush here. Itchy nose strikes again. 227, I'm going to take whatever's left on it and just pull it along my lower lash line, connecting it to sort of the winged out shadow. Oh, this is really grabby, but I'm grabby, so welcome to my channel. I'm taking whatever blush is left on my blusher brush from like previous times I put on blusher and just swooping it across my cheeks. This is just to make sure it's super natural. No, to be honest, I don't like the full clean cut, full beat on me. I like it to look a bit You know what I mean? Now I'm gonna take my Jeffree Star King Tut highlight, R.I.P. and I'm gonna take it on a small pencil brush and highlight my inner corner and brow bone. Oh wow. Oh wow. Some people don't like to have shimmer on their brow bone, so if you're one of those people, A, get a reality check, take a long hard look in the mirror and evaluate your existence, and B, just use a matte shade. I'm also gonna use this pencil brush to put it on my nose and my cupid's. Whoa, I really need to wax my upper lip. Then I'm gonna use a fan brush and just highlight the other parts of my face. Mascara and lashes. For my mascara, I'll use the Maybelline Lash Sensational, just any mascara. Hi guys. So as you can see, these lashes are really big. They're by Eyebrow and they're the ones that come in like the box like this. I don't know the exact name of them, but they're the ones that are really, oh no, this is them. So they're the Eyebrow Gimme Gimme Most Wanted lashes and I really like them. They're kind of rounded ones, so they make your eyes look really big, but you can get winged out ones, whichever sort of style you prefer. Or if you don't want to wear lashes, don't wear lashes. I honestly very rarely do. And then when I do, I think, why don't I wear these every day? The lipstick I'm going to be going in with is Jeffree Star's Unicorn Blood. Oh, so now I look like a drag queen and I'm fully here for it. Something I'm also going to do is I'm going to take this Smashbox lipstick in Get Fired and put it over this one to add a bit of gloss and also make it a bit more red and a bit less brown. And there we go. That's actually a really nice lip combo. It looks kind of ombre. So that is the end of my video. I really do hope you enjoy it. Don't forget that I do have a code that you can get $50 off any dress on Sisters the Label website. As you can see, their dresses are just unbelievably beautiful. I honestly have never been more excited to work with a company in my life. I screamed when they reached out to me because I have just been such a fan of their dresses, and to be able to wear one honestly feels like a dream. So yeah, do use that code if you do want to get some money off. I don't earn any money from it, it's just completely for your benefit. And yeah, if you did enjoy this video, I'm getting so paranoid, I'll get lipstick on my teeth. If you did enjoy this video and you would like to see more, then definitely click the subscribe button. I do a whole mishmash of videos. They're not just beauty. I do lifestyle, vlog, like music, not music videos, but like videos about music. I don't know. It's weird. Just have a scroll through. Thank you to all the people who have come back and watched this video. I love you all so much, and I honestly will never be able to tell you how much all your love and support means to me. I will be forever grateful. I love you all so much, and I will see you all very soon. Bye! And don't forget to click the notification bell if you do want to see my videos. Okay, bye!